Hi everyone, my name is Melissa Warden and I am your student's Algebra 1 Math Lab teacher. Thank you so much for joining me for a short video just so I can talk to you a little bit about this particular course and some of the resources that I have to offer you and your students. First off, I do want to mention that all of the syllabi are online. They're on the Lee Summit High School website, so you're free to look at those. They have also been linked in your student's Schoology course, which I will show you in a little bit. This course is essentially created to help support your student in Algebra 1. So my goal for this year is just to help your student build on some of the skills that they already have, to try to maybe reteach some of the things that they're not quite sure about, and maybe even pre-teach some of the content that they might struggle with. What's going to be essential for your student is to make sure that they are engaged and they are participating in the Google Meet sessions that I provide for them. During those times, we're going to be doing activities centered around the same concepts that your student will be doing in their Algebra 1 class. So again, my goal is to support your student during their pursuit of Algebra 1. We're going to do that in a variety of formats. We're going to be doing activities. We're going to be doing some stuff with an online resource called MathXL that's going to provide them with some immediate feedback on whether or not they are understanding some key skills. We're going to be doing small group or individual tutoring time, or maybe problem solving question answer time. There's going to be opportunities as well for your student to post questions and for them to answer questions for each other in Schoology if they're getting stuck on certain things. So let me show you a couple things that we have for them. So I'm going to go to this online resource. This is again MathXL, and your student will be in here occasionally. They'll do warm-ups in here because I'll give them 1 or 2 questions, 5 or less for a warm-up, just so that they can see if they're understanding the concepts that they're doing in their algebra class, to kind of reinforce those concepts, and also so that I can see where they're struggling. We'll also be doing some stuff on a site called Desmos. And this is a site that they're going to be able to get to, that we're going to be using together so that they can kind of explore and investigate some of these concepts and maybe get kind of a visual picture of what's going on. So those are some of the things we're going to be using. We're also going to be using Schoology. And I have a navigation video in Schoology, but I have a virtual classroom that's going to give them some different links. But they're going to have an opportunity to come in here and see their weekly instructions, to know kind of where they're supposed to go. There'll be links to each of those, but then they're also in these folders down below. And so these are just kind of some course information that we'll go through the first few days. And then in their first unit, again, I'm just basically stepping alongside them in what they're doing in their Algebra 1 class. I'm trying to find places where they might struggle or just need reinforcement or some reteaching or some pre-teaching, and trying to help do that. So again, it's very, very essential, especially in this virtual world, that they are meeting me during these Google Meet times. And those are going to be definitely shown here on when they're going to be coming to Google Meets. So for this particular class, it's going to be important that they're coming regularly. So they're going to see 3 or 4 Google Meets in a week because, again, I need to be working with them. They'll also have an opportunity to sign up for some individual student time with me on Wednesdays, or on other days where we don't have a required Google Meet. Again, they'll be working together maybe in small groups to kind of answer questions or to really problem solve, because I want them to be at the center of the conversation. If they're just listening to me again, that's not going to help them in the way that we need them to be helped. We need them to become problem solvers and to recognize how they would work through a problem. So I did put a navigation video so they can see that there's going to be links to all these folders. They have a calendar. So if you're interested in that, you can get Schoology access. If you don't already have that access for parent Schoology access, then all you need to do is email one of your students' teachers. They can give you a code and some instructions, and then you can have access to where you can see all of your students' courses in Schoology. You can follow along in their calendar. You can do the navigation videos, whatever it may be. So as we look kind of different things, our homework here, as you look in the syllabus, this Parent Connect would be Power School. It's really going to be about participation and engagement and completing the tasks and activities that we're going to be doing together during our Google Meets or in class whenever we're hybrid. really there's not going to be extra homework. I need them to practice math, but my hope is we're going to practice math during my particular class to where they're not taking more home with them, really just to reinforce the places where they're needing that extra help. So it's really kind of a built-in extra help time. If they need extra help beyond that, all they have to do is contact me, set up a time. There are different times that I have for open tutoring or for student-specific times that I can meet with them. So all they need to do is email me or talk to me when we're in a Google Meet, and we can set up those times. So I'm excited to partner with you and your student as we work to help them along with their Algebra 1 class. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. And again, thank you so much for joining me tonight. Have a good evening.